Hi, my name is Kay. I have been a customer of Georgia Luxury Automotive for many, many years. I can't say enough good things about them. They are trustworthy, they are honest, they will not fix anything that doesn't need to be fixed. They're like family. I would recommend them to anyone.
My name's Mark Wager. I've been with Georgia Luxury for 5 years now. I'm this mechanical service advisor / manager. And our goal here is to put it out right. If your mother's going to Florida and your car's here before she leaves, I want to be sure it's safe. That's what we're here for.
Apparently this is your passion of working on cars.
Yes.
I can tell it is your passion.
Yes, absolutely.
Why is it your passion?
Well, my father was a mechanic, so it was in my blood. I like the cars that they work on. We work on a lot of Highline stuff. We're just a full service facility. I mean, you bring your car to us, we can do your body work and your repairs. Where else you got to go, and that's what I like about it.
Hi, my name is Kevin Secor. I am the body shop manager for Georgia Luxury Automotive. I've been in the collision industry for over 25 years. I came to work for Georgia Luxury Automotive because I was extremely impressed with their extensive knowledge, their diagnostic ability, their industry standards surpassing all others. They put a lot of heart, soul, and passion into the repairs of your vehicle. They exceed all industry standards, and I felt like I wanted to be part of that kind of company.
This is Zach with Georgia Luxury Automotive. I started a company over 12 years ago. I've always had a passion for cars, and most of you guys that know me have seen my passion and drive in the industry and in the business. I actually started out when I was 12, put a water pump on my dad's Jeep, and that's kind of how it started from there. We stand 100% behind our product. We take pride in what we do, and we try to do it best. My first shop was behind the car wash at 3,400 square feet, and we are sitting at about over 30,000 square feet today with 30 employees. We hire the best in the industry. That way we can provide the best service for you guys. We like for you guys to choose us. We know you have a choice, and we like for that choice to be us. Yeah!